Hey everybody, it's Lamont Jones, licensed nursing home administrator, and today we're going to be covering 5 study questions for the Alabama Nursing Home Administrator examination. Hey, if you or maybe someone you know is looking to take their state examination in the state of Alabama, feel free to hop on over to Amazon and Barnes& and Noble and get my complete study guide. It's 100 nursing home administrator practice test questions for the state of Alabama that are very specific to that state. So, all right, let's get started with the first question. All right, question number 2. In terms of program of activities in the facility, it's necessary that activities shall be planned at least how many months in advance? Our choices are A, 1 month, B, 2 months, C, 3 months, or D, 4 months. Give you a few seconds to think about what your answer is. All right, our answer is A. So if you guessed A, you're correct. So it's 1 month. Moving on to question number 3. As stipulated in the manual, a facility with more than how many beds must employ a qualified social worker on a full-time basis? So ask this question before, but in a different way. You can get questions in a different way on the test. So you want to make sure that you understand the regulation. And again, the answer is C, 120 beds. Question number 4. As a general rule, each resident's drug regimen must be free from unnecessary drugs. A, the statement is true. B, the statement is false. C, the statement is neither true or false. And D, the manual does not contain any information regarding this matter. I'll give you a few minutes or few seconds, to gather your thoughts and think about what your answer is. All right. So the answer is A. If you guess A, that's the statement is true. You are correct. All right. Moving on to question number 5. A qualified social worker is an individual with how many years of supervised social work experience in the healthcare setting, working directly with individuals? Give you a few seconds to think about what your answer is. All right, so if you guessed A, then your answer is correct. 1 year is the answer of a qualified social worker experience. Okay? All right, and question number 6. As stipulated in the manual, the nursing facility must examine each resident no less than once every how many months as appropriate, revising the resident's assessment to assure the continual accuracy of the assessment. Give you a few moments to think about what you want to answer or what your answer is for this question. All right, the answer is C. If you guess C, 3 months, then you are correct. Resident assessments review of assessments. The nursing facility must examine each resident with no less than once every 3 months, or you may see that in on a text examination that may say quarterly. And as appropriate, revise the resident's assessment to assure the continued accuracy of the assessment. Well, thank you. Hey, well, thank you guys so much for studying and practicing these examination questions with me for the Alabama Nursing Home Administrator examination. Look, if you found some value in these questions and you're looking for resources and material for your Alabama state examination, feel free to head on over to Barnes& and Noble or Amazon and get a copy today of my 100 question practice test examination that has been purchased by many individuals in the state of Alabama to help them pass their examination. And look, I plan on posting lots of content to help individuals pass not only just their state examination, but also their federal examination as well, for the nursing home administrator test. So on this channel, like and subscribe, turn on that notification bell, because over the next few months and weeks, I'm going to be posting lots of content to help those individuals who are studying for their exam. And I don't want you to miss the examination. If you want to type comments, or if there's some questions that you would like clarity on for your examination, feel free to post those comments and share those as with me as well, and I'll be sure to get back to you guys as well. If there's some type of video you like, please feel free to reach out to me as well. Thank you, and good luck to you on your exam.